hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you today?
What's your name? I'm good. And what about you?
I'm good too.
What's your name?
My name is Rebecca. What about you?
Rebecca. My name is Abdullah.
Abdullah. Nice to meet you, Abdullah.
Nice to meet you too.
How old
Where
are
are you from? I'm 8 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
USA. This is my favorite country.
Really? Have you ever been there?
No.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay. Very nice.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
29 years old.
Mm-hmm.
You're my sister age.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Nice. So,
Do you like sports?
yes, I like sports. I like to.
What sport do you like?
I like soccer.
Soccer.
Mm-hmm.
And do you like any other sport?
I like baseball too.
Baseball.
What about you?
I like cricket.
Okay. That's similar to baseball.
Yes.
Do you play cricket with your friends?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you?
I teach English. I teach English
Teach
every
English?
day. Mm-hmm.
Wow. I'm teaching English too.
Really? To who?
Yes.
You teach.
I teach online.
You teach to your friends?
Yes. And I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, very cool.
I teach on it online.
Very cool. Do you have many subscribers?
Yes, I have.
How many?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Yes.
Okay. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of people. You must be a good
Yes.
teacher.
Yes. Thanks.
You're welcome. So, do you have any pets?
No,
No?
I don't have.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love.
Okay. Well, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Okay. So maybe you can get pets in the future?
Maybe.
Okay.
Do you play video games?
Not really. I used to play
Why?
when I was a kid. Right now, I don't have time. And I don't have anybody
don't
to
have
play with me.
Do you like any other sport?
I like running. I like riding bicycles. Let's see. I like watching sports on TV sometimes.
Oh, hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Well, my name is Karina, and I'm from the U.S. I'm from America. What's your name, and where are you from?
My name is Abdullah, and I'm from Pakistan.
Wow. Okay. I'm going to write that in the chat. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Wow. Okay. So I'm going to write that. I am 8 years old. Oops. I didn't put a period. I need to put a period on there. I am 8 years old. Okay. How long have you been on Cambly?
For 1 week.
Oh, wow. Okay. So you're new. Well, we only have about 3 minutes, so we can just talk, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, is there any question you want to ask me, or I want to show you my cat. Can you see my cat?
Yes. She is very cute.
Thank you. I just found him. I found him. Yeah, I just found him and he needed help. So I took him to the animal doctor. We call the animal doctor is a vet, or we say veterinarian.
Okay.
I will write that in the chat. Veterinarian. That's a big word. Can you say that? Veterinarian?
What?
Can you say veterinarian?
Sorry, I can't.
That's okay. Can you just say vet?
Vet?
It starts with a V. Go vet.
Vet.
Good. That is an animal doctor.
Okay. Are you married?
I am not married and I do not have any kids, but I teach in schools. I teach children in schools.
Okay.
Okay. What do you like to do? Do you like to ride your bike, go swimming, play video games? What do you like to do?
I like to ride my bike and play video games.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, to teach. I have my YouTube channel and to teach people English.
Okay. Let me write that. You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Oh, you're so young to have a YouTube channel. Do you have many followers?
Yes.
How many followers do you have? About
1 leg.
one what?
1 leg.
One leg?
Yes.
No. Hey, let me put this in Arabic. We only got a minute left. I asked you
Yes.
how many followers do you have on your YouTube channel? I will put that in Arabic.
And I have a question with you.
Okay.
Are mermaids real?
What?
Are mermaids real?
No.
They're not real.
No, mermaids are not real. Do you think they're
Okay.
real? Do you think mermaids are real?
Yes, I think.
Okay. I think mermaids are real. Some people believe in them. I've never seen one, so I don't think they are real.
Our time is over. Bye-bye.
Okay.